Firstly, remove the engine cover. Use a pick tool or small screwdriver to pull back the locking tab. Then press down the tab and pull back on the connector to remove it. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Unclip the factory boost connector by first pulling back its locking tab and pressing it down to release the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.